Song really confuses me. This Future song, it's like, what is he talking about? You can't even do most of these things at the same time. Like, he's talking about like going to Pluto and Mars at the same time. You can't. That's not even scientifically possible. Like, that makes no sense. It's very weird. Like, I listened to the song carefully, and I was like, what? Huh? Huh? What? Huh? He was like, what? At the what time? He's like, how do you do that at the same time? He was like, what? Like, what? Huh? Huh? What? How do you do that? You can't even stick it in the same hole twice. How? How? I'm confused. How can you be in Pluto and Mars at the same time? Like, really, dude? Like, it's not even make sense. Huh? Huh? Dudes are stupid.